Brand new, good for you, the Padlock riddim. New Gaffa Blue production will be available as from the 1st of November, only on download platforms only. So the release date is the 1st of November. Brand new riddim, the Padlock, laid by M&F. World famous song by the lady called Janet Kay, as we have 5 new versions of the riddim as we squeeze tenor star, I Found Love. Brand new, good for you. Put on your raving shoes, you know. Tenor star, I Found Love. The Padlock riddim. The Padlock get whooped, you know.
Girl, I found love when there was no one around.
Release date the 1st of November and will be available on all download digital platforms. The Padlock riddim. Tenor star. And you know, we can't leave out the ladies on this song. This is Shardell Roden, Lovebird. The ladies, you know. Shardell Roden, Lovebird. The Padlock, produced by Gaffa Blue. It's coming at you.
You're my lovebird, you're my songbird, you're my melody bird.
Shardell Roden.
My healing bird.
Lovebird. The Padlock open
So eloquent
as they fly the luck, you know.
Make my love descend. He's my healing bird.
Shardell Roden.
Some kind of melody bird.
Lovebird, the Padlock.
Lovebird, lovebird, lovebird. He's my lovebird.
Lovebird, you know.
Yes, my lovebird.
Shardell.
Lovebird, you're my songbird.
Can't left out the IG name, you know. Dixie Peach giving us some of that crazy love, you know. Padlock. Dixie Peach.
Sweet love, yeah.
Harmonies by Public Report.
7 days, 7
All tunes mixed by Dilly Stingray, you know, at the big house, you know. Yeah, man.
I'm here with you.
I had the great pleasure of sitting in with the great man, and we mix off some piece of that tune. And nice, Dilly. Big up. Crazy love. Dixie Peach, the Padlock.
And I'm still here.
When you're hooked, you know. Crazy love. Dixie Peach.
It's been the sweetest experience.
Back to the ladies. Janet Lee Davis. When you want that key to your heart, you know. Janet Lee Davis.
I know I'm a fool to your love.
The Padlock.
Yeah.
We've unlocked it. What a riddim, nicey. Nice!
I know I'm a fool. I'm just keeping my
Key to my heart, Janet Lee Davis.
I just played along.
The fourth cut.
Baby.
We have said Janet.
Ooh, baby.
Harmonies by G Vibes.
I know you've got the key to my heart. And I love you. You've got the key to my heart. Yes, I need you. You've got the key to my heart.
Key to my heart.
I love you. You've got the key to my heart.
Janet Lee Davis on the Padlock.
You've got the key. You've got the key to my heart.
Fifth version. Patrick Abba original. Rock with Matic.
1, 2.
Rock with Matic. Rock it, the Padlock, it's here. Padlock rhythm, 5 pieces as we rock with the Matic. Rock it, nice and slow. The Padlock rhythm will be available for general release the 1st of November, available on all digital download platforms. 5 pieces, I Found Love, Tenor Star, Lovebird, Shadow Road, and Crazy Love, Dixie Peach, Key to My Heart, Janet Lee Davis, and Rock with Matic, Patrick Abba original. Check it. It's going to be big.